Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of The Curious Explorer. I go out into the wild a lot and use my GoPro to create my videos. But I didn't have a GoPro stick for my GoPro, so I decided to make one from just under $1. To create this GoPro stick, I used a 97-cent water squirter from Walmart, 2 rubber bands, and of course, a GoPro. So the assembly is quite simple. You use one rubber band, in this case the green one, to keep the GoPro on the water squirter. Then you use another rubber band, like I used the blue one, to stabilize it. So right now the GoPro is in selfie mode since the lens is facing me. I can always flip the camera over so that the lens is facing forward so that I'm shooting what's in front of me. I knew it would be stable when I was hiking or biking, but I wasn't so sure about snorkeling and diving. I didn't know if it would fall off or it would shake too much, so I decided to test it out at Silver Glen Springs. Here's a clip. Here's a clip that I took in Juniper Springs of an eel. I took all these clips with my new GoPro stick, and it seems to be working pretty well. I also went to Kiowa Springs with my new GoPro stick, and here is a video that I took while I was diving. Subscribe and click the bell icon if you want to know when I'm going to post this video. That's all about my 97-cent GoPro stick. I'm going to be using it in all my future videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.